So we're here today with Yasmin Mitchell, proud owner and kick-butt lady boss of Decor Steals. So Yasmin, tell us a little bit, how did you start your day today?
I scrambled out of bed, got my daughter ready. She's 4.5 years old, and then I got myself ready, knowing that you guys are going to be here today.
Okay, fair enough. And now time for a little bit of caffeine?
Absolutely, every day.
So tell us, Yasmin, where are you from?
I am from Syria. I moved to the States in 2004 with a big dream, and here we are today.
Okay, and when you were little, what did you want to be as you grew up?
I always had an interest in home decor. I always wanted to be some sort of an architect and a businesswoman, so I guess I put the two together and Decor Steals was born.
What did you end up studying in school?
I studied interior architecture.
So what was the thought behind the creation of Decor Steals?
I wanted to fill two needs. One, the corporate environment did not sit well with my soul. I wanted something more intimate. The other, when I went to furnish my apartment, I just couldn't afford anything the way I wanted. I wanted more architectural pieces. I wanted more history. I wanted more love, and I couldn't afford any of that. So with that, basically, I just went out and started buying stuff for myself. And from there, I knew that this will be a success and started selling the same pieces I love and I buy.
So we know you didn't do this entirely alone. Tell us a little bit more about the role your husband plays in the business.
So in 2009, in the midst of the economy crash, I decided to start this. It was obviously a crazy idea. A daily deal site for home decor, unheard of at the time. I mean, online was not a big thing at the time either. So I went to my husband, who worked with me, and I met him at work at that previous job. I went to his office and I said, I'm gonna resign. And you would expect a reasonable person to say, no honey, you cannot resign. We have a house mortgage and 2 car loans, you can't just quit. But the risk taker of a husband I have, sorry, excuse the dog. She's awesome, she's just a yapper. But anyway, the risk taker of a husband I have goes, life is too short and I know you're not very happy here, so do it, fly. And that day, I printed my resignation letter, handed it to my manager, and took off. Obviously, in the beginning, it was a struggle, it was a lot of work, but I would say that was the first and one of the most empowering moments in my life when John, my husband, said, go, and you can do this.
Tell me about the day you guys launched. I understand it was Black Friday 2009?
Yes, it was. So I launched at that time at 9 a.m. I still remember the first sale, shockingly there was a sale. I had 2 actually that day. The first sale was from a lady named Sarah. Sarah, if you're still with us and you made a purchase from wooslu.com in 2019 on Black Friday specifically, please let us know. I would love to find you. The other purchase was my mother-in-law. So I actually thought that she just loved the product, admired it so much, could not live without it, and bought it. Later on, I learned that actually my husband asked her to get it to make me feel better. So that was really sweet.
How do you personally connect with your customers?
Well, I'm on I don't know if you guys know, but we have several Facebook groups. And a lot of social media outlets, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. I'm personally in every group we have. I read comments, I answer comments, I keep in touch. I also, I don't know if you guys know Sarah, our customer service manager, I'm very close to her. We're always talking, we're always addressing issues, concerns, love, some of the most awesome tickets that we get, stories, etc. So that's it.
Okay. And you have a beautiful home. Do you consider yourself a bargain hunter still?
Absolutely. Most of the stuff that you see here are either returns from our customers because something was scratched or not up to standards, like this light, for example. I don't know if you notice it's a little crooked. It got that way in shipping. The customer returned it, I used it. And yes, I still go to Goodwill, I still go to thrift stores as my passion.
In your opinion, what sets Decor Steals apart from the competition?
Oh, many things. The heart behind Decor Steals, us designing our own pieces, obviously the prices, I'm not gonna state the obvious, the thrill of the hunt, having all of the special ideas, how we showcase everything. We try to inspire, so Decor Steals is a lot more than just a retailer. We're more of a pretty inspiration outlet for home decor that provides the pieces.
Are there any other pieces in this room that are from Decor Steals or that are particularly special to you?
Absolutely. This wreath is from Decor Steals. It's from 2013, also a return. Now this blanket, most of you know by now, it's the Love You More blanket, and it's very, very near to my heart and to probably the hearts of those who've been following us for many years. You probably have seen such amazing and touching stories that came about because of this blanket. So yes, this is a, and if you haven't, you should join our Facebook groups and you will see what people are saying. I do have one more thought I would like to share, which is I'm just so thankful and grateful for all of you. Every single person who's been there for years or even new, for the support, for the love, for the community. Come here, Coco. And thank you, just from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Come.